doing? Welcome back to yet again a brand new car accessory video.
Around a month ago, I went on this app called Wish. Literally, this is where I get all my car accessories from because it's so cheap and, quite frankly, I'm a fucking cheapskate. I went on Wish for the 50th time this year and looked for the most pointless, stupid car accessories that I could find. And in today's video, I'm actually going to be taking a look into them a bit further and seeing if they are any good.
So yes, that is right. For today's video, we have got some pointless, stupid car accessories. So literally guys, we've got like 7 pointless car accessories for today's video. We're going to see if they're pointless, we're going to see if they're cool. Can they redeem themselves? I do not know. But without further ado, let's actually crack open one of these bad boys and let's test it out. For the first product, we are going to open this thing. This literally looks as flat as my bum. Like, I might be a guy, but I got a flat ass bum, trust me. Right, first car accessory. Oh no. This is fucking revolutionary. I don't know if I could even show you guys what this is. Like, this could have a whole video put on it. That's how good this is. That smells of shit right there. The first car accessory we've got. Boom! If you guys have been watching the videos, I've got car eyebrows for the car, which go around the headlights to make it look cool. Make my car go bloom bloom faster, you know? Make everyone go, wow, wow, look at him, he's a boy racer, yeah? This is gonna bring back, you know, the normality to my car. And, you know, it's instead of people going, oh, he's a boy racer, they're gonna be like, oh, he's a model citizen. Look at that. Let's pop these on the car right now. Literally, we need these on the car. Honestly, from this angle, the eyebrows look very nice. Genuinely, I might be sexually attracted to my car today. Oh, damn, Shaniqua. Damn, you looking fine. Alright then, boys, the next clip is actually historical. The next clip will be the first time you guys have ever seen my girlfriend. It's only for a short second or two, but I'm actually gonna be getting a reaction to the eyelashes in my car. Like, now I just want to say real quick, be nice. My girlfriend is coming on a video that is possibly gonna get over 30,000 views. It is kind of a bit scary to go and like put yourself up to comments, you know, stuff like that. But yeah, I know 90% of the people are going to be nice. I really fucking appreciate you lot. Please be nice. And obviously, if you guys want to see more videos with her, let's say get this video to 1,000 likes. Hit the like button. If we get 1,000 likes, we will do, let's say, a drive with me together to like Taco Bell or something. And yeah, that's it. So let's get a reaction.
That looks ridiculous.
That looks sick. Yeah, I love it. I think it's gone from Simba to Shaniqua. I want you. Look at it. Oh my god, that is banging.
I'm not getting in your car with that on.
Yeah, why not? The next car accessory we're going to open is this. I don't know what it is. We've actually got. Voila, we have actually got some tyre lights. When we're cruising down the McDonald's drive-thru, you know, we can bling. Like, we could be blinging. Oh my god, let me have a look at this. I'm actually gonna be going to my local town tonight to, you know, go to my girlfriend's house. Once we get to like, hopefully we go Tesco car park or like some industrial park, we're gonna try these out. So let's actually switch that. Alright boys, so we pulled up into this very dodgy place, literally. These just quite simply screw onto the wheels, and as they detect motion, bang. Yo, that's gonna be banging. Probably not legal. Next car accessory we're going to get into is this monstrosity. Oh, gee. Oh. Wait, what this is an air freshen. No, like an air. Yo, you know that's some high quality shit. Oh, you're taking a piss now. You are taking... we've got some gold fan. So basically this will go on the air vent in your car and hopefully it will spin it as it goes along. It actually comes with a fragrance. So if we open this up, oh my God, that smells like, no lie, that actually smells like my girlfriend. So we whack this on here probably, so there, and then maybe screw this back on. Oh, that's taking the piss to a next level. So you've got the fragrance right there, so the air's blowing out of the air vent there, and then it's blowing the fan. Oh my God, there you go. Oh, there you go, it's in. Oh wow. Come on, maybe if we just nudge it a little bit. Oh my God. 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 Oh! Ah! No, 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 no. This is not stupid car accessories no more. Genuinely, I've been on experience this car accessory video. Next car accessory we have is very heavy, and I've actually done one of these before. I've actually ordered this before, and it's this. This right here attaches to your exhaust, and it will make some turbo whistling noise. Like once the air goes through, you know, the back of it, it will go shoo, like a turbo. And basically, I did this last time, but I bought like the medium size one. I bought the fucking biggest one now. Literally, you can fit your penis in that. And for today's video, we are going to be trying it on my sister's new car, a Ford KA. Oh my God, that is the tiniest thing ever. Look at that. That's probably, look at that. What is that? Look at that. Oh my God, it don't fit. It's too big. That's what she said, literally. All right, so I'm just gonna fucking shove that shit in there, and we're just gonna hope that that stays there. Ready? Actually stand back.
Oh.
Is that? Oh my God, that was loud.
What is?
Listen to this.
It's gone. I don't like it.
It blew out. Oh my God, that was so loud. Yo, that might actually do something on my car.
How am I supposed to?
That was fucking mad. That was so loud. My sister heard it inside the house. That smelled shit right there. We got one more car accessory, and I don't actually know what this is. Alright. Oh fuck. You know what this is? It's wrap for my car. So basically, I thought I was gonna try and wrap something in my car with this. They've creased the shit out
Do
of
not
it.
peel it.
Maybe you peel the top off. Fucking hell, this is like a mile long. What is this shit? Who is gonna need to wrap something that big? I'm gonna try and wrap this, but I'm gonna do an extremely rubbish job. Looking handy. I can do anything because I'm Asian, apparently. Let's whack that on. Oh, that's like some carbon fibre shit right there. You like that? I fuck with that. Oh, nah. What are you chatting? Boys? All right then, boys. That is the finished result. Literally, if you had like a more sticky thing, and maybe like a tool to push that in, ready? Yo, that's banging. Yeah, that's banging, you know. First wrap job, you know, it does stick up. Yeah, it is a bit messy, but it's not very sticky. That's the thing. Like, I can pull that off. Look at that. That was like 20, that was fucking 20 minutes, that was. Okay, all right then, boys. So unfortunately, that's the end of today's video. What do you think of the car accessories, Chloe? The whistle one was really cool.
Yeah, that thing's kind of cool.
That thing's banging. Look. It's proper nice quality because you can literally go. Alright, so we've obviously got the eyelashes on the car. Mum, what do you think of the eyelashes? They're banging, aren't they? Just imagine me turning up to like a...
I thought it's going to go that way.
I don't know. It's a bit hard to mould, isn't it? Yeah. Morning. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Alright then, so unfortunately that is the end of today's video. The postman saw it.
See his face.
What did he do?
Just looked a bit disgusting.
Oh my God, he's probably like fucking... Right, so unfortunately that is the end of today's video, guys. Hopefully you guys did enjoy. First time being in the videos.
It's kind of scary.
It is kind of scary, I can imagine. Right, unfortunately that is the end of today's video, guys. Hopefully you guys did enjoy. And I still have faces in my next video. What? That's the
Take that out.